What's up everyone, Matthew Winters here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly recap. I do apologize as these weekly recaps are done every Friday. However, I was so busy last week I was unable to upload a video. But I was able to dollar cost average a lot of holdings last week as we did see the Dow drop almost 7%, shedding off almost 1,900 points in a single day, which is absolutely insane. However, for long-term dividend investors, a red day like this is opportunity to enter in dollar cost average holdings in the portfolio. I did end up purchasing a lot of stocks and even sold a few on Friday when the markets bounced back a little bit. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. Now don't forget, if you're new to investing, use my link in the description below to sign up with Robinhood and you and I will get a free stock with the possibility of being valued at a couple $100. Robinhood offers commission-free trades, it's very user-friendly, and it's a great platform to start investing. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to smash that like button as it really does help grow the channel. And if you enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe for future dividend investing content. Now, if we take a look at how the portfolio is performing, we are during trading hours right now. We can see that today we are up $1,800 or about 3.59%. For the week, yeah, that's a bad one. We're down $3,400, just around 6.2%. For the month, we are up $5,300 or about 11.5%. And if we look at the 3-month, which is about the lifespan of this portfolio, we can see that we're up about $6,400, right around 14%. Now, if we jump over to Simply Safe Dividends, we can see that the income has increased to $1,493. We can also see that our valuation, which is our average dividend yield, has increased to 3.10%, which a big reason for that is because we have dumped out some stocks that do not pay dividends, and then we've added some high dividend yielding stocks to the portfolio since last week, so it has jumped up our dividend yield to 3.10%, and we can see that our dividend growth is still hovering at a good score of 8.1%, which is very good for a 5-year dividend growth. So stocks that I ended up selling were eBay, Grubhub, and Halliburton. eBay I sold because I was in the green, up about 40%, and because the dividend yield of 1.3% with an annual payout was just not fitting the portfolio, especially when I see more value in consumer discretionary companies like Genuine Parts Company and McDonald's that have yield closer to 3%. Grubhub I sold because I was up about 60%, and they were one of the few companies in the portfolio that does not pay a dividend. This sell was basically about cleaning up the portfolio and putting that money into other dividend-paying stocks. Halliburton I sold because their dividend payout is almost non-existent with a 0% dividend growth, and they are on the verge of cutting what dividend payout they do give. It was a little too unsettling to hold, and I was up on this investment about 200%, so it was just time to cut it loose. Next, let's take a look at what opportunities I had to dollar cost positions already in the portfolio. Starting with today, I did see some opportunity as around early in the morning, around 10 o'clock, the market was down about 500 points, so I did see some opportunities to buy into some holdings. You can see here 2 shares of Johnson & Johnson at $140.45, 5 shares of Verizon, $55.57, 5 shares of Enterprise Products at $19.13, 1 share of PepsiCo at $128.16, 4 shares of Pembina at $24.48, 1 share of Walmart at $118.21, 2 shares of Merck at $74.10, and those were the opportunities I saw today. But continuing on, we can see 3 shares of Genuine Parts Company at $84.32. We have the sold eBay, sold Grubhub, sold Halliburton. PepsiCo, 2 shares at $128.97. Enterprise Products, 5 shares at $18.93. 4 shares of Pembina, $24.36. 3 shares of Pfizer at $33.74. You can see here we had a $1.02 dividend from Microsoft. I also had I bought a little bit of Bitcoin as it did drop a little bit, so I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. 2 shares of Pembina at $24.34. 2 shares of PepsiCo at $129.40. 2 shares of Pfizer at $34, 5 shares of Enterprise Products at $19.01, 2 shares of Johnson & Johnson at $141.52, 5 shares of Enterprise Products at $19.17, and then we can see $3.76 dividend from Norfolk Southern, $2.58 from Chevron, $8.70 from ExxonMobil, and $10.10 from Johnson & Johnson. Continuing on, we had 2 shares of Verizon at $57.57, 10 shares of Enterprise Products at $21.59, 3 shares of Verizon at $57.61, and those were all the buys I made up until looking back to last week, starting with Monday. And finally, let's have a look at what pending dividend payouts we have coming up. It's always exciting to see these numbers grow, and they really are growing as we keep adding more quality stocks to the portfolio. So looking out to about July 10th, we can see a dividend payout from Omnicom for $19.50, Genuine Parts Company 79 cents, PepsiCo $5.11, Halliburton, which we did get rid of, for 90 cents, eBay, which we also got rid of, for 80 cents, Raytheon $3.80, Duke Energy for $14.18, Next Era Energy $21, McDonald's $2.50, and Realty Income $2.33. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's weekly recap. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, as it really does help grow the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe for future dividend investing content. Don't forget, if you're new to investing, use my link in the description below to sign up with Robinhood, and you and I will get a free stock with a possibility of being valued at a couple $100s. Robinhood offers commission-free trades, it's very user-friendly, and it's a great platform to start investing. Anyway, trade safe, take care.